The Larson Electronics Aircraft Group Power Cart converts 3-phase 208 to 575 volt AC to 24 to 32 volt DC. Four 9-inch non-marking wheels with foot brakes enable mobility at the work site. A cable wrap handlebar is available on both sides of the station. This unit provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 208 to 575 volt AC power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. The mobile AC to DC power distribution unit is protected by an IP54 rated enclosure with a baked powder-coated finish for durability and use in indoor and outdoor locations. The wheels are weatherproof and resistant to chemicals, water, steam, and debris. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.